Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to be discussing me. Where's T? What's T been up to? Why hasn't T been live? Okay. But if you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider checking out all of the other content on my channel. Stick around by smashing that subscribe button, hitting that like button, sharing out the video to tell others about me. Leave me a comment because I do love interacting with you all. For my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam. Welcome back. All right, y'all. So before we get into today's video, if you hear the lawnmower, I apologize in advance. Hubby's cutting the grass, neighbors cutting the grass. Lawnmower's just going everywhere, okay? All right, y'all. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna get into today's video. So where I have been since maybe a little bit before my birthday. I was posting strong. Y'all was used to me coming on live and bringing that content. So I went to the Bahamas, and I was really just drained before I went to the Bahamas. I came back. I was still drained. Then I was going into work to the office, and among other things, I just kind of got burnt out mentally and physically. Um, and I'm gonna address the elephant in the room real quick before I get back to what I'm, where I've been, what I've been up to, all of those things. I just want to say the comments, the texts, the emails. I appreciate y'all checking up on your girl, and those of y'all that were also sending texts and emails and links to um, this particular video. um, I just want y'all to know I see you, I hear you, I appreciate that. But unless a name is put to it, I don't respect it. I don't do drama. Um, I just got too much going on. Okay. So until a name is put on it, we're not gonna even address it. Okay. So there's that. Okay. And I know y'all was probably wondering like why I didn't jump back and respond and do things like that is because I don't do drama. Okay. Um, but if it is brought to me with a name on it, then we'll address it. But otherwise, I don't do drama. I'm on here to teach y'all what I know, share things with y'all, have fun, and let that be. Okay. So anyway, T has been to the Bahamas. T has been to the beach. T has been to the beach again. So I have just been basically doing um, a lot of traveling, and traveling not so much to where I've been recording. I've been trying to do a mental reset to come back strong. YouTube is really, really, really hard work. You might put hours in on recording content, or you might buy different products to try for content. You get promos, you get brand deals, you get all of the things if they are afforded to you, right? So, with that being said, I do have a lot of content that I am going to bring to you guys, but in order for me to give you 110% of me to be able to show up for you guys, I had to take that break and reset, rejuvenate. Um, and I'm still not 100%, but I'm getting there. Um, I'm definitely getting there. Okay. So, but again, I just want to thank you all so much for reaching out, checking on me, making sure your girl is okay. All of those things, I really, from the bottom of my heart, appreciate that. But I am definitely going to get back on schedule. I do have some things planned for us because I'm not going to be going in the office for those original 9 weeks that I had to, it's going to be a little easier for me to get content up, well, to go live after work, right? So you'll see me more live. You are still going to get a series of pre-recorded videos as well. One, because I have a lot of tufting orders that I need to do. During that little minor setback that I was going through mentally, physically, and emotionally, I orders got backed up. So I'm working on those. I did go live showing you guys one of the rugs that we were doing. I still need to finish that. So you guys may just get a like a full length video of just straight tufting. It may be a few times that I will actually talk in the video, but tufting videos are more of like a ASMR type video. They're for you to learn, watch, just see how it's done, things of that nature. But then, of course, we're going to have our more interactive videos and things of that nature. And I know this video is just an update about me, but baby, if y'all didn't go and watch this video from last night where we made this shirt using the Caesar, Lord have mercy, let me get the words out right, using the Caesar brick 600. Atlanta Vinyl partnered with me, and we made this shirt on live last night. Super, super cute. I love it. So if you have not checked out that video, go check that video out. Look how cute it is. So it gives like definition, but not like puff, because this is not puff, right? But yeah, super, super cute. And I intended to change the dinosaur to the gray, but somehow I flipped it and I think it came out cuter that way. But hey, okay. Anyway, that's not the point of what we're here for. But yeah, so that's where T has been. That's what T's up to. I have so much stuff that I need to unbox. I have some brand deals and things that I am working on that I need to get the content up yet. Y'all, the embroidery machine, the embroidery machine, the embroidery machine. I literally have nowhere to put it. Okay? Nowhere to put it. I was going to initially try to just move this table out, put it back here, but then it was like, well, boo, where you gonna put all this? Okay. So I am actively trying to look for me a studio so that, and I'll still leave like, a few items home at my house so that I will be able to craft at home if I want to. But we're mainly going to move this to the studio. And as soon as I find one that is available, that ain't trying to bank, not trying to break the bank, because that ain't what it's about. Okay. So yes, your girl is back. I will still continue to bring you that content. You just got to kind of listen to your body, know when to take that mental reset, let your body reset, rejuvenate, and things of that nature. So yeah, that's just a quick little live update about where's T, what's going on with T, what's T been doing. Okay, period. All right, y'all. So I was on my lunch break. I'm getting ready to go back off my lunch break, go back to work, shift gears, and I'm going to plan on seeing you guys live tonight. Okay? Live tonight around today is Wednesday, July the 10th. Shout out to my daddy. Happy birthday, my boy. Happy birthday. Happy birthday, my boy. All right. But long story short, around 5:30, I'm looking forward to seeing you guys. Thinking we're gonna do some sublimation. Okay. Thinking we're gonna do some sublimation if I can get this to work the way I need it to work, because I got machines. It's just a lot, y'all. Okay. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead, hop back into my claims, and I'll see you guys live tonight. Until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Bye, guys.